Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is sponsored by Idefine Wig Company. The wig that I am wearing today is 12-inch Yaki 100% human wig. On their website, they do have worldwide free shipping, discounts, and 30-day return and exchange policy. So let's get started with the video. So in the packaging, it comes with this brochure showing you how to care for your wig. Also, it came with 2 stocking caps, and this wig is a 13x4 lace front wig, Yaki 100% human straight hair. It is 10 inches. It also comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and a lace band as well for extra tightening. As I state, this is a 10-inch wig, and it is 100% Yaki human. So as I stated in the beginning, I am going to pluck my wig a little more just to make it look a little bit more natural. I will not be bleaching the knots on this wig. You can, but I chose not to. I'm just going to put some makeup powder on it closer to my skin complexion to help it blend more. I also want to state that this wig can be dyed. It is 100% human hair, so you can color it. And this is just a look of what I plucked. It looks super natural, even more natural. So I'm just going to kind of let you guys watch through the video. I'm not going to do too much talking on the rest. So here I want to show you guys how well this hair takes heat. Like, look how easily it's straightening. Up close and personal, it looks really, really good, sleek and straight. As you can see, this hair holds a really good curl as well. I didn't really have to straighten it, then curl it. It literally stayed curled throughout the whole curling process. So here is the finished look, you guys. So now I'm just combing out those curls and making them a little bit more fuller. The lace melted really good. You can see I used the Gots to Be freezing spray. I did not use glue or anything, but it melted really good with that melting spray and that lace band. And the hair is very bouncy. It's full, thick, has a lot of volume. I love how it turned out. And it looks like natural human hair. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And also I will put the link in the description below so you guys can purchase this wig or check out their website to check out the other wigs that they have. This hair is so full. I just love how the curls came out. And stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.